In this video, I will show you how to stop automatic updates in Windows 11. So the first thing you need to do is go to search and search for services and then click on the services system. And then after that, maximize this to see it clearly. And then once you're here, scroll all the way down until you see Windows Update. And here it is, Windows Update, and then click on it. And after that, you will see the startup type. So here, click the drop down and then choose disabled and then click on apply. And after that, go ahead and go to recovery. Then you will see this first failure and then click on drop down and then click on take no action. Then click on apply again. And then here you will see that the Windows update is disabled. And then the next step is go to general and you will see the service status here. So the service status is stop. So if it's not stop, click on this stop and then the status will be stop and then click on OK. And that's it. If it helped you, please like and subscribe.